prompt engineering is the biggest lie in AI. We've been told that the magic word is the key to productivity. But here is the truth. If your workflow depends on you typing into a chat box, you're already falling behind. By 2026, agents won't need your prompts. They'll need your systems. I've spent the last 2 years building autonomous workflows and stress testing the bleeding edge of agentic frameworks. I've seen the internal shift in how AI is being deployed at scale, and the chatbot era is just a stepping stone. Today, we're tearing down your current AI stack. I'm going to show you exactly why your current tools are becoming obsolete and how to pivot from a prompt engineer to a system architect. If you want to be the person managing the AI, rather than just chatting with it, this is your blueprint. You spent months mastering the perfect prompt, the multi-step chains, the persona settings, the desperate attempts to stop the AI from hallucinating. But here is the cold truth. You aren't becoming an AI expert. You're becoming a high-paid secretary for a machine. Think about it. Every time OpenAI or Anthropic updates their model, your golden prompts break. You spend your Friday afternoon tweaking adjectives just to get the same result you had last Tuesday. This is the prompting trap. You think you're building a skill, but you're actually mastering a temporary interface. By 2026, prompt engineering will look like coding in BASIC. Obsolete. See, chatbots are reactive. They sit there. They wait. They only move when you push them. That isn't automation. That's just faster typing. If your entire AI stack is just a collection of open browser tabs, you aren't building a system. You're managing a group of digital interns who forget everything the moment the session ends. You're working for the AI. The AI isn't working for you. And while you're polishing your prompts, the people building autonomous agents are quietly making your entire workflow redundant. So if prompting is a dead end, what's the exit? It's called agentic workflows. Stop thinking about asking and start thinking about building. Right now, most of you are acting as the middleman. You prompt the AI, you review the output, you copy-paste it into another tool, and then you prompt it again to fix a mistake. You aren't using AI to save time. You've just traded typing for managing a temperamental intern. By 2026, the chat interface will be a relic, a novelty for beginners, because we are moving from chatbots to autonomous agents. Here is the difference. A chatbot waits for a prompt. An agent monitors a trigger. Imagine this. Instead of you prompting Claude to write a follow-up email, an agent sees a new lead hit your CRM. It automatically researches that lead's LinkedIn profile, checks your calendar for availability, and drafts a hyper-personalized email based on your specific business logic. It doesn't need you to tell it to act as a sales expert. It already knows the goal because you built the system. This is why your current AI stack is failing. You're collecting tools like they're trading cards. But a collection of tools isn't a strategy. It's a mess. To survive the 2026 shift, you need a conductor. This is where tools like Make.com come in. Think of OpenAI as the brain, but Make.com as the nervous system. The brain is useless if it can't move the arms and legs of your business. If you're spending your weekends mastering prompt engineering, you are optimizing for a tool that is being automated out of existence. The real value isn't in the prompt. It's in the logic of how data moves, the logic of how a goal is achieved. This is the pivot from prompt engineer to AI architect. An architect doesn't tell the bricklayer how to hold a brick. They design the house. If you want to be indispensable by 2026, stop learning how to talk to the AI. Start learning how to build the system the AI lives in. Look, if you want to stop playing prompt engineer and actually build a system that works while you sleep, you need the right infrastructure. Most people use ChatGPT as a fancy search bar. That's the trap. To move into the agent era, you need OpenAI for the intelligence, and make .com to act as the central nervous system. This is how I've automated 40% of my operational overhead. No more repetitive prompts, just triggers and actions. The result? I stopped managing chatbots and started managing outcomes. If you're ready to upgrade your stack before 2026 makes your current workflow obsolete, I've put the exact tools I use in the description. Grab the links to make an OpenAI below. Stop prompting. Start building.